Kuumba Links is creating a new initiative called As I Am. And this initiative is targeted to a demographic of 18-year-olds through 25-year-olds.
A lot of young folks who were in our programming that traditionally engaged, 8 to 17, 18-year-olds, they're coming back at age 19 and 20 looking for that same sense of family and community and engagement. And this initiative is about intentionally carving space for these young people between those ages to feel that they are supported in a sustainable way.
It's important for Kuumba Links to hold space for youth between this age range. We're not given opportunities to utilize our art and be creative. When that's lost because you've aged out of a program, it leads you to do things that you wouldn't necessarily want to do.
I think it's important for us to not only bud and grow developing artists, but also be able to expand as adults and as adult artists as well. Having this type of initiative, having this type of opportunity for my peers is really, really important. It gives us a sense of value, a sense of purpose, and a sense of mentorship so that we're able to come up and develop the next budding group of artists and activists in this city.
The fact that I can teach other people who are professionals, it validates that I can too be a professional like other people.